have a zucchini that was going bad in my fridge, so can you see me? Ooh. So I'm making zucchini spirals. If you want this zucchini contraption, just DM me and I will send you the link. I don't know. I mean, it looks like an OXO brand, but anyways, I do like this one. It makes it more into noodles. I would go in and out of liking and not liking zucchini noodles, by the way. So always give second, third, fifth, 10th chance to foods. What am I making with this? I'm making a dressing out of sun-dried tomatoes, some oregano, some tomatoes, some basil, garlic, lemon, salt, pepper, oregano, a little bit of pumpkin seeds, 2 smallish tomatoes, and a small handful of some wilted basil, 1/4 cup-ish of sun-dried tomatoes, and a clove of garlic, 2 tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds, the juice of 1 lemon, I add oregano, sea salt, and a ground pepper to taste. I want a thicker dressing, so I'm going to start with, maybe I'll do 2 tablespoons of water, and then blend and taste and adjust. It needed about a 1/3 cup total of water to get a better consistency, so I added more salt and more fresh basil. I added in grape tomatoes and red onion as well.